So today I'm going to be making Nutella lip balm, and I am just going to be putting it in an empty EOS container and a container I just bought from Amazon. The first step is to get a tablespoon of beeswax chips or a tablespoon of cut up candle wax. It's better if you use just unscented and uncolored ones because they have less toxins in it. And this works perfect as the beeswax chips do because it's just to thicken the mixture. The next step is to put all that chopped up candle wax or your beeswax chips into a bowl that is over a pot of boiling water. And you can also use the microwave for this step, but I feel like doing it this way helps everything get mixed together. Then I just add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and this is to moisturize your lips. So it's the component that helps moisturize and just makes the mixture less thick. And then I'll just stir this around for a bit so the wax and the coconut oil get combined. And then you add half a tablespoon of Nutella, and this is the flavoring, so you will taste it and smell it, and I love it. And then I'm just going to stir that around so that it gets all combined with everything else in there. And then after this, you can just let it rest over the stove for a little bit just to melt down and mix more. And then you'll have a smooth Nutella lip balm. And this one is the first batch, and I'm going to make a plain one next. I just add a bit more of candle wax because my mixture was too liquidy. So now I am going to start working on just the plain white mixture. And so I just put 1 tablespoon of candle wax and then 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and I just mix that all, and then that's it for this one. It's very easy because I didn't flavor it because I just wanted it plain. So to take off the EOS container, you're just going to get a knife and put it in the crack of the bottom, and then you can lift off this piece, and then you'll get the top piece, turn it around the little grate, and twist it in. So now I am just filling each container with some of the liquid because I'm going to do like a zebra pattern. And then I put each of the containers in the freezer for 15 minutes for every layer I put so that the layers don't conjoin. For the EOS container, you want to fill it up just above the grate. So to get that perfect circle, you're going to grab the bottom piece and snap it on to the top, and these pieces will connect to each other. And after you snap it on, you're just going to flip it over so the bottom's on the bottom, and then just twist it off, and then you'll have a perfect round globe.